Milk.
What you have for your breakfast?
Idli, my national food.
Your what?
My national food.
National food.
That's what I eat all day.
So with what?
With sardine.
Sardine?
Yeah.
Wow, that is mommy favorite.
You want?
Yeah lah, I want lah.
I feed you. Huh?
No, you eat.
Okay. Wow, yes,
Aaron, you don't want to eat? Okay, you feed Aaron.
One bite only. Then one big one, a small one. Big. Huh?
Where you going now? You going to the where? Swimming class, right?
But now we skip it.
Why,
Because my mommy don't want us to go there.
No such thing like that.
Apa? Such thing.
Why today?
Big bite. I don't think so. You can have that bite. But
Letak air panas, letak separuh saja.
she put only very hot one. I like it most. Cooling down lah.
Tak payah separuh lah, macam biasa lah. Jangan penuh sangat.
Buat nak diet lah.
Itu untuk diet punya.
Try mommy.